this, I had a bunch of stuff on the ground. I cut all the dead vines off, and I'm tying this tomato onto a stick so it's not on the ground.
Mommy.
This is a special purple kind of tomato. Hi, Kayla. Hi, the buddy. I
thought you just picked a yellow cantaloupe that's in your hand right here.
That's yellow yarn. I'm tying these sticks. I'm tying here. You can see I'm continuing to tie my sticks to, I put them in the ground and I'm tying them to the plant so that the plant's not on the ground. Discovered this cantaloupe here. You see the cantaloupe? It's growing. So it was growing in there, but I moved it onto here because it needs to be on a hard surface. Good job. Okay, I have a lot of plant here that needs tied and pruned, so I'm going to work on that next. And I've got one red tomato in there to grab. Any brown leaves I'm going to cut out of there, and I'm going to tie up what's hanging down. Are you eating a yummy tomato?
Yep.
Cool.
Mommy.
There's a stick bug.
Stick bug.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like we have to fly down.
Looks
Here's
like a stick, but he's a stick bug. I'm going to cut off all of the brown leaves that are on here. You gave me a letter M. Thank you. Thanks for pushing the butter. Hi, cutie patootie. So this is what I've been trimming and going to throw away. This is what I'm tying up here, here, and here. It's looking a lot better, right? Can you tell with all the green background? Anyway, all the trash is on the floor. And the rest is looking better, but we do have some squash bugs starting to infest. Okay, I put some stuff in there. The baby's happy. I'm gonna cut some weeds over here. What's up, baby?
Letter B.
Letter B. Alright, I'm over here cutting some weeds. Hi, baby. I moved him closer so I can pull weeds and push the baby at the same time. Hi, baby. You happy? I'm over here pulling weeds. See, I pulled a big old bunch of stuff. Hi, the button's okay. Oh my.
Mommy,
We better give you a push. Whee.
Mommy's too loud.
That's too loud. Oh, now you're happy again. He likes to swing. You better keep pushing me. You better keep pushing me. Hi. The sisters are over there playing on the back porch. You want pizza? I don't have pizza, baby. Found a watermelon, so I set it up here so that maybe that'll help it grow into a real live watermelon. Pretty cool. Pulling grass here. These are strawberry plants. Just got a lot of grass in with my strawberries and watermelon and basil and green bell peppers and all that. Good times. Are you pushing the brother?
Yeah.
They're very kind. Hi, the buddy. Hi.
Mommy wants a mama.
He wants a mama. He always wants his mama. That's why he's with me.
He wants a guitar.